Hurricane Erin is still a Category 3 storm after weakening overnight due to the eye wall replacement cycle. And because of the eye wall replacement cycle, the storm is expected to grow in size as it continues to give rain for the Hispaniola and Puerto Rico. We are expecting also impacts for the Turks and Caicos as tropical storm force winds are possible for later tonight. And also later tonight, it should strengthen back into a Category 4 storm as it gets into an area with low wind shear and warm water. We could see 145-mile-per-hour winds by tomorrow morning, continued Category 4 strength as we get into Tuesday morning, and then weaken back into a Category 3 storm as it splits the upright in between Bermuda and the Carolina coast. By the end of the week, the jet stream should drag the storm away from us as it continues to weaken back into a Category 2 storm, and then eventually a post-tropical cyclone. Now, the models have been consistent in terms of showing the storm going in between the island of Bermuda and the Carolina coast. We can expect some indirect impacts for the Atlantic coast as the waves are going to be gnarly. High surf is expected for the majority of this week, and rip currents are also going to be strong. In terms of the island of Bermuda, they'll be on the right side of the storm, so they'll see increased rainfall and also potentially gusty winds. Now, we are monitoring two other areas of potential development. We have this blob right here, actually ironically within the projected path of Erin off the Carolina coast. Now, this is due to a tropical disturbance that's moving off towards the east, and it's moving into an area that's unfavorable for further development as the wind shear is going to be extremely high. So the chances are so low, especially for the next 2 days, the next 7 days. So we're really not worried about this potential area of development. We are watching this area that was flagged last night off of the Central Atlantic Basin right behind Hurricane Erin. This is all due to a tropical wave near the Cabo Verde Islands. Right now, the chances are low at the moment with a 30% chance of development in the next 7 days. But since it's getting into an area with ingredients that are highly conducive for further development, we are going to monitor this system as we get into the work week.